Welcome to Next Level Homes.
Today we are visiting a beautiful luxury home. From the moment you see the front gate, you can tell this house is special. The modern design, clean lines, and green plants make it look
Welcome
amazing.
to the Next Level Homes.
Now let's go inside. The living room is big, bright, and very comfortable. The soft sofas, stylish furniture, and large windows make this space feel warm and relaxing. It is the perfect place to spend time with family and friends. The dining area is simple and elegant. It is a great place for family dinners and special celebrations. Next is the kitchen. It has beautiful marble countertops, modern cabinets, and high quality appliances. There is also a large island where you can cook, eat, or enjoy a cup of coffee. Now let's look at the bedroom. It feels peaceful and comfortable. The large bed, soft colors, and beautiful view make this room perfect for rest. The bathroom looks like a luxury hotel. It has a modern bathtub, a large shower, and a beautiful marble walls. Every detail is clean and stylish. This home also has a great space to work or relax. It is a quiet, bright, and perfect for reading, working, or enjoying some free time. Every part of this home is designed with beauty, comfort, and modern style. It is a perfect example of luxury living. Now let's go outside. The backyard is truly beautiful. There is a stunning swimming pool, comfortable sitting, and lovely palm trees. During the evening, the lights make the whole area look magical. It feels like a private resort where you can relax every day. Thank you for watching Next Level Homes. If you enjoyed this luxury home tour, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next amazing home tour. See you in the next video.